Thank you everyone for coming to my beautiful concert. Did you lose? Come on, you can't be famous, you already lost. I agree. Where's the Mario? Better yet, where's SpongeBob? I'm right here. Take that, you barnacle head. Okay, what the is going on? I'm doing a concert today. You wanna all see my beatboxes? Okay, I'll say it now. Pikachu Hutch Beatbox.
What you're trying to do? Wait for parent magic super blab. What? You're thinking? Look out.
Pikachu Hutch Beatbox.
Proton. Guess who's back again? You know you're just a bump, so perfect, you leave brewing. Yeah. You ain't trying to hurt yourself.
Oh, I want to see it too.
I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket to keep up. So many pretty girls in me. I can keep up. Oh, yeah. I'm a bad nigga. Keep up. Raise up, tell them. Yeah, what are you trying to do? You are just some brother freaking people, look out. Look out.
Okay, no, wait. There's one more. Okay. Oh, that one. Beatbox by Pikachu Hutch. Try again. Beatbox by Pikachu. Beatbox by Pikachu Hutch. Beatbox by Pikachu Hutch.
Never have the trouble getting what I want, but you never want to beat me, so you come on. You brought the green pain episode 1. Playing like a kendo. I'm picking bounce like basketball. I'm the girl, pain finer than you. Her hand, glow. So, fall in love. In my birthday time, I think you had a heart attack. Right before they have a heart attack. I'm not. Oh, yes, you see the fact. You sweat for the other guys. But you want to come around your current times. You lost the great man, so many.
Beatbox by Pikachu Hutch. Beatbox by what are you doing? Why are you letting this man promote his own diss on me? It's a fun. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, it is. What a lunatic. Beatbox by Pikachu Hutch. What the heck? Credit to Moonlight for this picture, but
I think you had a heart attack.
I feel like farting. Oh, come on, Patrick.
I'm scared I'll take off.
Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh, my new card. I'm gonna go, guys. Luigi doesn't need when the show's over. I'll come back. Marty, I think it's almost ending. Oh, okay, never mind. Beatbox by Pikachu Hutch. Beatbox by Pikachu Hutch. Last time. So, what do you all think of it? Amazing! Cool, 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 cool. And you did lose to Tampa, Adam. Okay, but I did not lose to Detroit. Oh, yeah! He'll always be a loser. Always be a loser. Always be a loser. Always be a loser. Loser. Yeah, that's how you in Italian say it, you freaking Italian. What a racist. What